On page 22 of the text, chapter 4, we learn about the rhythm bass in triple time. The left-hand pattern now becomes an octave or rolled chord on the first beat, a chord on the second beat, but we invert that chord on the third beat. Octave or rolled, chord, inversion. We avoid playing the same chord position twice because that's the typical pattern of a waltz, and we don't usually waltz at church. So let's apply this to the hymn on page 12, Holy Bible, Book Divine. We have the analysis written. Remember, from this point on, you have to write your own analysis. We'll play this in rhythm bass, 3-note chords, which will go this way. 1 chord, invert, 1 chord. I can invert up or I can invert downwards. Usually it's easier to invert up, but that doesn't mean that you should get in the habit of playing so low on the keyboard, so you can always invert up. It's just as well to invert downward. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. B flat. Here we have a little piece of interrupted moving bass. F, E, D, C. But the E, this note of the moving bass, is a 2-beat note. So we'll play our E octave, and go up to the C chord, and then continue moving bass, moving down to the D octave. Pattern for rhythm bass in triple time.